Hello, this is Judy. Thank you for coming back to watch another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be using some mixed media and our texture paste opaque matte. It's a dimensional paste for using with stencils and just creating some really fun texture on projects. So I showed some stencils there we carry. They come in a pack of 3 for $14.95, and this one had 9 small stencils on one, and I cut them apart to make 9 small stencils, and using this diamond shape here on some purple cardstock. I think it's wisteria, and you just adhere it on your craft mat. Use a non-stick mat. Sorry, words are difficult. And use your spatula to carefully rub the paste through the stencil onto your cardstock and make it smooth or as bumpy as you want. And isn't that cute? So then you just need to remove that stencil, not the stencil, the paste from your craft mat, and then you can put your stencil back down again and use some more paste and try again. And I was doing these pieces for a project, that's why I'm using the squares in that small piece. And now we're going to do it again. It really is addicting. I really have fun doing it. I could play with this stencil paste a lot. So here I'm going to give you a close-up of taking that stencil off. And yes, you should clean your stencils off after you use them. It's so pretty. You can see some of that texture there. So now always put it back in your jar and keep your jar sealed as best as you can. Sorry for the shaking on that part of the video. So now we're going to add some color with this Distress Oxide Abandoned Coral. And you just rub it onto your craft sheet, and then you're going to mix the stencil paste with it and then put it on your piece. It just is a whole nother effect. You know, you can make it any color you want with any kind of medium. I imagine you can use just about anything. You know, the idea is to experiment and have fun. You do have to mix it up really good, unless you don't want to. You can, you know, make it partially white and not mix it as well. Or you can mix it really well and make it all smooth and the same consistency. And then with stencils like this, where it's the lines, you need to go down the project, not across, because you could go under the stencil. You just have to be careful. And as you play, you'll learn. Love how that looks. Then carefully remove it, and then you can rinse and repeat again. I think I have enough there for another hexagon, so that's what I'm going to do. I really think, you know, anybody would have fun doing this. It's a really fun medium to work with, so if you ever get it, don't be afraid, just get it out and play. And that's about all I have for this video. You know, just get it out and play with your stencils. It's a really neat effect. Thanks.